Welcome back, guys. It's been a journey, but we've knocked out 5 yards in about 24 hours. So I know that y'all might say that's not a lot, but for us it is a lot, in ball and stuff with the rain and stuff and Dad working, so it's just been hard, and I was just gonna let you guys know that. Hope you enjoy the video. Hey guys, it's been a crazy week, let's just say that, but we're just now getting to our yards. We already mowed one, and we have one more to go tonight, but it might rain on us. That's why, if I keep looking up, that's why, but I'm afraid it might rain. I don't think it will. This is a small yard, so that's why I'm not really worried about it. But it's been crazy because I've started school back this week, and of course baseball, and then all this rains with Hurricane Laura and stuff coming through the Gulf. It's making it hard with all the rain and stuff. Guys, I know I'm not in pants and it ain't much. It's just a little uneven here, so I'm gonna even it up here. Forgot Daddy hadn't used this tonight. I need to prime it. Choke.
Glasses.
Glasses, guys, I'm forgetting. Well, if I can find them. There they are. This yard, like, it's so hard. Like, I sweat the most on this yard, but it's all in the shade. I don't get it. Might not have changed much, but it looks a little better. Thank you for watching.